Hello and welcome to another video from Paint and Glue Miniatures. So this evening I'm looking at some models that hopefully will be added to the website this week, and this time it's 28mm resin printed Napoleonic Portuguese. So these were only released this week at the weekend. And I've managed to print them up and sort them all out, base them, give them an undercoat and some non-oil over the top, just to bring out the details. And there are so Portuguese Napoleonic Infantry, there's Fusiliers and Grenadiers, there's some Cavalry, and there's some Artillery. So looking at the infantry first, so these are the Fusiliers. There you can see they're made by, or they're designed by Battlecat Miniatures, who do marvellous ranges of Napoleonic, World War II and Ancients. So we've got an officer. I've just based these on 20mm squares, put a bit of sand and glue on the top for the base, and given them a white spray and then a black dusting over the top, just to bring out the details. But lovely miniatures, print out very well. There's a drummer. You see the detail on the face there. There are quite a few different faces to go with this. The faces are separate, the figures are all in one, although they do multi-part versions with separate arms, but I prefer the uni-part version, which just has a separate head. And then we've got the Grenadiers over here with their epaulette thingies. Otherwise almost identical. So I've got some shooting and some running. There's about 30 infantry figures in the set, I think. Then let's go on to the cavalry. So there are 6 different troopers and 4 command figures. So the troopers, there are 3 with swords. The arm is separate. The horse and the rider are one, so you can't separate those. They print up in one piece, and you just add the head and the arm. So it's got three swords, 3 horse poses, and 3 rifles. So I've just got one here. They're lovely detailed models. And 4 command figures, so you get an officer, an NCO, a standard bearer and a trumpeter. And there's the trumpeter. So that leaves the artillery, and there are 2 guns, a 6-pounder and a 9-pounder. So this is the 6-pounder. And again, the black sort of non-oil wash brings out the detail that you can see. So that's one of 2 guns, and then the crew, there are there's got to be 20 or so different poses. So we've got officer. somebody moving one of the guns. But again, lovely sculpts, excellent positioning of the body and the arms and stuff, quite dynamic figures. And another officer. So that's a quick look at some 28mm resin 3D printed Napoleonic Portuguese. Hopefully be on the website later this week. That's about it. I'll leave you with another quick look, and thanks for watching.